Andy, tell us about One Solomon's Plantation Shutters range.
Tom, our Plantation Shutter range really is led by our flagship item called the Sorrento. It's an aluminium product. It has a 70mm adjustable louver blade, linked by, as you can see, the tilt rods here. Several different applications that we can utilise with this is, as this one is, bifolding. We offer hinged, we offer sliding, and we offer a fixed panel option.
And these are lockable?
They are certainly lockable, Tom. Not a security, as it is only a single lock, but it will certainly keep the majority of people out.
And made locally?
They are manufactured locally in our Cleveland factory here in southeast Queensland.
And ordering process?
Ordering process, come on down to the guys at Merivale Street, Building Design Centre. They will look after you. Then I will be in touch to book a measure and quote for you.
Summer's on the doorstep. Come down and see the One Solomon's range of Plantation Shutters for your home this summer.